Rico! Where's Zlatan? I gotta get back this camera. I don't want to be offended with it. How's that? Annie!
Hello.
Yo, we're going to be looking at Fortnite.
Your mum and daddy.
Youth created Cole McCreamy.
The one you put in the game shape will be well done. What's Jack then? He's injured. Is he coming or no? Is he? Yeah.
Rubber dubber.
What was his face? Look at.
Yeah, it's all red.
Great, isn't it?
You scored their lives, you'll see you never. You scored.
Come on, mate, get all over them.
Your boy scored.
Come on.
You kind him again. Has he been lazy?
Yeah.
Lazy, he's always lazy, isn't he?
Guys, can we move down again, please? Down by the pool.
Hello, my name.
Lay it down, boys.
Oh, okay.
We're all the way down there.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, you just got the camera. We could be seen.
Come on, Ben!
That's lovely.
Wait, is this live? It's about 20 minutes. On Facebook, or should we watch it? Is it live? What's the page?
Sorry? Oh, nice.
Good eye, Mike. I went right up to the mic. Wait, is that Mike? Is that Mike? Go on, Benjamin Bora! Go, Benjamin Bora! Go, Jonas! Jonas! Go on!
Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, it's good for me. If you win, probably good.
Yeah, did you put him there? Come on, the cheese.
Dos stykker brad, ja? Vi vant oss å stille noe posting. Ok, da? Ja, for det vant han ikke klart. Boys, what score are you guys? So dyn nhw'n medru dod at fanna, basically.
Cardiff West yn erbyn
Ber.
At y coeden yma.
Da ni angen rhywbeth fanna ddim.
Yeah, so we got over now.
Morgano yn erbyn Abertraed Lefau. Cael Edward ticket number 4. Baston Uwchben Caerdydd yn erbyn Bryn Sirion. Cael 5 ticket number 5. Dyffryn Eiron yn erbyn Bont Fain. Hael Queen, ticket number 6. Bro Myrddin yn erbyn Bro Eder. Nesa a cael saith ticket number 7. Tretelyn yn erbyn San Dynwy. Crai yr un pwynt, ticket number 8. Eastern yn erbyn Aberaeron. Crai yr un 9, ticket number 9. Gwyr yn erbyn Rhonci. Crai yr un 10, ticket number 10. Glas mawr.
Na. Os ma' yna unrhyw ffordd i fod yn stage
Stay there, Paul! Stay there! Taka, let it go! Let it go!
Os ydych chi'n sydd yn chwarae yn y gymau am ddiwysedd, fynd ac yn cael yn barod i gwenna. The team playing in the crowd side game can be ready at the pitches.
2v1! Spread the ball!
Os mae pob tîm sy'n chwarae yn y gemau am deuddeg, fynd at y barod, pob tîm sy'n cael cloc yn ysgrifennu at y derby.